Good morning, all. I am Swapna, working as an assistant professor in Department of CSM in Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. Today, I am going to discuss about the data types in Python. So actually, Python data types are actually the classes and the defined variables are their instance or objects. Since Python is dynamically typed, so they based on the assigned value only, the data type of the variable is declared. The data type of a variable is determined at runtime based on the assigned value. In general, the data types are used to define the type of a variable. The Python has 6 standard built-in data types. In this here, those are the numeric data type, string data type, list data type, tuple data type, set data type, and the dictionary data type. Today, we are going to discuss about the dictionary data type in Python. If we want to represent a group of objects as key value pairs, then we have to use dictionary. In dictionary, the insertion order is preserved. That means the first and we are accessing the elements by using the key value. The heterogeneous values and keys are allowed. Values can be duplicated. Keys cannot be duplicated, but values can be duplicated. That means in dictionary, the keys must be immutable. Immutable means the values cannot be changed. Dictionaries are mutable. But dictionaries are mutable means we can insert a key value pair to dictionary, already existing dictionary, or we can delete a key value pair from the dictionary. Here, the keys are immutable. That means we are not going to change the value of the key, but we can change the corresponding value. That means here, how we are creating a dictionary? In creating a dictionary is as simple as placing items inside the curly braces. By using the curly braces only, we are creating a dictionary, whether it is an empty dictionary or dictionary with a pair, key value pairs. And those key value pairs are separated by comma. An item has a key and a corresponding value that is expressed as a pair. So this is a key value pair. So like this, we are representing the key value pair in dictionary. So here in dictionary, each element is nothing but the elements of a dictionary is separated by comma. But what is an element here? Element is not a single value in dictionary. It is a pair. It contains a key and the corresponding value, and those are separated with or those are representing by using a colon. To create an empty dictionary, we can use these curly braces and we can use the dict function. So for example, D is equal to empty braces, empty flower brackets, curly brackets. Here we are not going to use any we are not inserting any element here. It is an empty dictionary, the dictionary with no items. D is equal to dict of this is a inbuilt function to represent a data in dictionary. To create a dictionary with values, here example, D is equal to 1 colon and the Shiva comma. Here 1 colon Shiva is a pair and this is 1 is a value Shiva is a value. 1 is a key, Shiva is a value. Here 2 colon Sai is 2 is key, Sai is value. 3 Krishna, 4 Rama. So here D contains the 4 key value pairs, and those key value pairs are separated by comma, and here the value and the key we are representing by using a colon. Then we are printing this dictionary by using the print, and we can also use this for loop also for printing the dictionary. Then we can get the output is like this in flower brackets or in curly brackets. Example. So another example is here D is equal to an empty dictionary. Then we are trying to inserting elements by using the key and the corresponding value. D of college name. This is the first element we are inserting into the dictionary. College name is a key. The corresponding value is an MLR Those are the strings. That's why we are enclosed in single quotations. Next item is D of department, DEPT. Here department is a key and the corresponding value is CSM. D of name. Name is a key and the corresponding value is Swapna. Then we are after inserting some elements, some key value pairs into the dictionary, I am trying to print by using the print. Then we will get the answer like this. We can insert multiple values for a single key also. Just like friends, we have more friends and the corresponding addresses, more addresses. So those multiple values are enclosed in list and separated by comma, and the values also enclosed in list and separated by comma, and now we are representing the multiple values like this. Details is equal to friends. Friends is a key. So I have more friends. That's why friends is a key. But the values of friends are Naveen, Vijay, Roy. These 3 are the friends and those are enclosed in and representing a list format. And next comma, address. Address is a key. The corresponding addresses are Vijayawada, Hyderabad and US. Then we will get the answer is like this. The friends is a key, the key, these are the keys. Address is also one key, these are the values. The next is accessing the elements. So how we can access the elements in the dictionary? So here by using the key, we are accessing the elements of a dictionary. Dictionary uses keys to retrieve the values. Keys can be used either inside square brackets or with the get method. D is equal to first we are creating an empty dictionary. Then we are trying to insert some items into the dictionary. Here we are inserting 3 items. Then print. So now we are accessing these elements. Items. By using the print, we are printing the dictionary items. Then we can access the elements of the dictionary by using the key. So here print D of college name. Here just we are directly print all the elements of the items of the dictionary at a time. Print D. It will display or print all the items at a time. But if you want to print or if you want to access a single key value page from the dictionary, then use the key with the dictionary name. Print D is a dictionary name and college name is the key, and then we will get the corresponding value. So here by using this method we are accessing a single element from the or single item from the dictionary. So next is print D of department. So department is a key. By using department, that means by using the key value, we are accessing the corresponding value. Depart D of name, then we are accessing the name, D of college name. Here in this example, we are using the get method. D dot get. Get is a method to access the elements or items from the dictionary. So D is a dictionary name, and here we are using the get function to retrieve a specific element from the dictionary. College name is a key and the corresponding value is Mlritm. D dot get department, then we can get the CSM, the value of department. So like this we are accessing the dictionary items. Then adding the elements. Dictionaries are mutable. That's why we can add elements into the dictionary and we can remove elements from the dictionary. So those are the mutable. That's why we are performing those operations. We can insert the items into the dictionary by using the assignment operator. So D is a dictionary name. Key, by using the key, we are inserting the value, and here we are inserting a key value pair to the dictionary by using the assignment operator. If the key is already present in the list, in the dictionary, then the existing value gets updated. In case the key is not present, a new key value pair is added to the dictionary. Just observe this example. Friends is a dictionary, and here we have 4 friends. 1 is China, 2 is Raju, 3 is Ravi, and 4 is Kashi. Now, by using print, we print the dictionary of friends. Then we can get the output like this. Then so this is an existing dictionary. I am trying to insert or adding the key value pair to the existing dictionary by using the keys. Friends of 5. So in this example, we don't have key as a 5. That's why we can insert 5 as Roy, 6 as Vijay, 7 as Navin. Then I am printing the friends. So after adding 5, 6, 7 friends, I got the output is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 friends. Now, if the element, if the if the key is already present, then it update the value of the corresponding key. Just observe this example: friends of 1. At 1 is a key and Ram. So at 1 we have China as a friend, but I am here, I am updating the friend key value 1 with Ram. Then instead of China, I got the output like this. So in place of China, I updated the value with Ram. Next, the methods of dictionary data type. First method is dict. It is used to convert the other types to dictionary and to create an empty dictionary. So this is by using this we are creating an empty dictionary. Output is like this. D is equal to dict. Dict is a function inbuilt method, and by using this dict method we are creating these elements which is key value pair as a dictionary. Then the length. Length is another method in dictionary data type. So by using this, we can get the number of items present in the dictionary. So the D here D is equal to, we have 7 elements, then print the length of D, then we can get the 7. Get method. Method is used to access the values using a key. D dot get of key. If the specified key is not available, it returns none. If you don't want to get none, then we can use D dot get of key comma some value. We will not update the dictionary. Some value is a default value. So like this. Pop. Pop method removes the and returns an element from a dictionary having the given key. The syntax of pop method is that dictionary dot pop and the key comma default. The key is which is to be searched for removal. The default value which is to be returned when the key is not in the dictionary. So the pop method returns if the key is found, then we can remove or pop the element from the dictionary. If the key is not found, the value specified as a second argument default. If the key is not found and default argument is not specified, then it will return the key error. Exception is raised. Example, here D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 are the keys. Sheena, Raju, Ravi and Kash are the corresponding values. Now I am trying to pop the key value to key as 2. Then this element, this item is deleted from the dictionary D. Then after this popping, I want to print the dictionary. So here in this output, the 2 item is not there, but so here observe this example, D dot pop of 6 comma key is not there. So here in this example we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 as keys, but we don't have the key as 6. That's why this is a key is not there is a default value. So it prints the key is not there. So if print D dot pop of 2, so already 2 is popped here, but again I am trying to pop the element or item 2, then I got the error, the key error. Then the another method is keys. Keys method returns a view object that displays a list of all the keys in the dictionary. So it displays only the keys, not the values. So if you wanted to print all the key values, then we can use the method keys. So dictionary name dot keys, then we can get the all dictionary keys. D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The previous example is keys is equal to D dot keys. Here D is a dictionary name, dot keys is a method name. Then we will get the dictionary keys are 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this. Then values. The another method is values. So like keys method, values method prints the corresponding all the values from the dictionary. So values method returns a view object that displays a list of all the values in the dictionary. When the dictionary is changed, the view object also reflect these changes. So D is equal to again the previous example, values is equal to D dot values. Here D is a dictionary name, values is the method name. Then print values. So dict values of Cheena, Raju, Ravi, Kaushi are the values of those above dictionary. Then D is equal to 5 of Hari. Then the values are again here updated. Next, the next method is items. Items method returns a view object that displays a list of dictionaries, key, value, tuple, pair. So just observe, keys method is used to print only the keys of the dictionary. Values method is used to print the only values of the dictionary. Then here items is used to print the items of the dictionary. Those items are in the form of tuple, and here we are taking keys and value pairs in the tuple format. So this is like this, we got the output. So in the tuple format. Copy. The next method is copy. Copy method returns a shallow copy of a dictionary. When copy method is used, a new dictionary is created which is filled with a copy of the references from the original dictionary. So here again the first example, D is equal to with 4 items. D1 is equal to D dot copy. Then D2 is equal to D. So here print D1 is D1. So this is copy method. Then here we got the IDs of D, D1, D2. Clear. This method removes all the items from the dictionary. D is equal to, this is a This D example contains 4 elements. Clears removes. Print D. So first, this is for this output. This is an output. It prints all the dictionary items. D dot clear. Now by using this method, I cleared all the items from the dictionary. After removal, again I am printing the dictionary. D after clear and D, then it is an empty dictionary. That means it clears all the items from the dictionary. So this is about dictionary data type in Python. Thank you.